Is Venba Fragrance scam or legit? In this video, we are going to be talking about Venba Fragrance. Now, Venba Fragrance has garnered a variety of customer feedback on Real Reviews IO. The platform boasts 4.8 star rating based on 27 reviews, with many customers praising the authenticity and prompt shipping of their products. Now, conversely, scam detectors assigns Venmo Fragrance a trust score of 49.5 out of 100, labeling it as doubtful. Medium risk alert. This assessment suggests potential concerns, though it's essential to consider multiple sources when evaluating a company's credibility. Now, in my analysis for their website, Venmo Fragrance is a very likely not a scam but legit and reliable. Now, the highlight is its positive aspects such as valid SSL certificate, a long-term standing domain age, and the availability of get your money back friendly payment methods. However, they also note that the website uses an internal review system which can sometimes be less reliable than external review platforms. Now, in my conclusion, Venmo Fragrance received commendations for products authenticity and customer service. It's proven to approach with cautions due to mixed trust scores from different evaluators, and as always, conduct through research, read multiple customer reviews, and ensure the website security features are intact before making a purchase. And so if you have any questions with Venmo Fragrance, share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching.